Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kashnong kong thong gaway na kishnong gibapao, hakabe day bat kakam jungo kai perthai, kamtam hakabe day bat kajing ruay yaubay. Henne kasngi kalasaki ya kajing bu ya Mawnongrim, bantay ya kakilon haswa bandrong siya kani kashnong, batru lapli ya ki Paiñkhana Paidbah hapo kashnong. Ya kini lapli do MP Karaja Sabha u Profesor Rakesh Sinha, hakajing don lang u MLA kathan u ba Gavin MLA, u CEM ka ki HADC u ba Tito Starwell Khan, ki officer ki riu rang ba bat kiwe. Habe Kren hakani kasngi u Profesor Rakesh Sinha u laong, bahadien ba ula syamti ya kashnong kong thong, kum kashnong kajong u ka ba uday ban kami, u latray sitam manwan ra ya bun ki jing mantoy ki ban kentiu ya kani kashnong. Shosho nakaliang kajong u ulapan banaya bun kilat jing penroy lakaday hakapuli puthi hakakot kakya ki jaka ban pene pensa i kisur bat kitiar tenrai ki bakasnong bat kathan khat arsnong barok kaway ki penmi nakaliang u Profesor Sinha u laong ru baka thong kajong u kaday ban penlong ya kasnong kong thong kum kanuksa ka baki way kithan hakajala bat kari ken Paiñkhana ulaong ru ba unsa syamti sai ki laitli kisnong ki bamarjan bat hadien unsa syamti ya barok khat arli kisnong ban kentiu ya ki haki babun kiliang.
Kong Thaka Di Ka Snong John Gonga Kong Thong Ka Long Kaba Paunam Barho Kiwai Ka Parthi Ki Berin Keling Swadong Ka Parthei Bat Kiba Naka Ri John Nongi Kakwa Wan Sani Kong Thong Kan Sedei Kasnong Kaban Paidbah. Whistling village. Being a whistling village, it is an attraction of the entire world. And in the lap of the nature, where I am speaking, you see how natural beauty is. It is not the village, is not the jungle of concrete. It is basically, I consider the mother of nature is in Kong Thong. So this characteristic of whistling should have a lab in Kong Thong. Lab should not be in Delhi. Lab should not be in Shillong. In Kong Thong, that lab cum museum should have position of the sounds of different voices and sound and culture heritage of Kong Thong and nearby villages. There are 12 villages nearby Kong Thong and 23 villages now claim that they are also whistling villages. They are now following Kong Thong. I welcome them. So that museum should be for all the visitors. They would spend half an hour to understand what is this. So history of this tradition, impact of this tradition, use of this tradition, and how this tradition perpetuated and how it can be strengthened. So that museum should be here and a lab should be here where there should scientific investigation, scientific knowledge, scientific vision should be traced. So museum cum lab should be opened and I would contact the ministry of the various ministries including tribal ministries and also government of Meghalaya to open a museum and a laboratory. This would be a great thing. In that process we would also contact in future Costco village of Turkey which has the similar tradition. We will make a comparison between the two traditions, how they are similar, how they are different, how much they are following, how long they are tradition. I think our tradition is thousands of years old as civilization, so our tradition is. You know, there are villages And villages in other parts, Kongthong is in attraction before the people of Meghalaya, India and world.
Daga jinso komen bakum gashnong lasha kintu lasha nominate hakathup jong ka best tourism village haka UNWTO ngakit bok boblay undang ringkat Bapinyo asilsan ya ka Kaldan ban Shajid ya ka best tourism village Bakani kanong kaburong tang nagabinta ka Snong ka Jongpi Henry nagabinta ka Tany Batkumju nagabinta Karihi Barokawi Tar MDA ka Jongiru Nya Pyrshang kilat kilenti ban kumno ban kentio ya gani ka kam jngok kai perthei hakani ka Snong ka bai ka Jongki tengah sobha ban penbana ba hakani ka por ka bomenta ba shed yek sayo ye ka prefab log house lani ka homestay ka balong prefabricated nagabenta kani ka Snong ka bai ka Jongki ka banlong ka jingmentoy nagabenta kasnong kapi kacampi
ya ka daw ba kabak kongsan kabala penlong yang i balai bangin ya lumlang kumne krui sa season pat bat nakapor siya kapor kasnong ko thong kajangi mentala palat si posnem kaladon harinsan jong gar India barakmat jong ka percay ngis ngo sorong yapi ime ipa ngis ngo sorong yapi kilong kami kilong pa kiprasnong kipratao kipralong kan nuksa kababha yaki wepat kiprasnong prathan bad jong gajat bendiu hi jongi borokawi ngas ngoba ladam de da kajing start jong kilong shwa ki man shwa ki jongi adam de da kajing sempang ka jongki ringkat kajing betin ba kajing alam kajong blade ta kenat unong thau unong bu ngam tharai bakini ki e kin sawan jelong tin nama kata kadao balengang kumta ka Kongthong ka jongi ka sakhi banlong ka noyalam ka basngo sarong yala ka jong ka tanrai ka kosor ba kata kadai lengba ka jingdon jong ka jingroi yaube ka jingroi yaube ka de ka pansnya ka jingroi yaube ka de ka spong ka rong ka rup kaksia ka rupa ka bala penpu ya ka mensim ba ka donut bat ya ka nam jong ka snong ka jongi barakawi kum unayalam jong society na duk isnem aja khat al khalai teter ngile sim ya kata ka jingitle na ka bantaban kentiu ya kana snong ka jongi ha ka bede barka kam tourism kumta na kaliang jongi kum kinoyalam haringkat ka jetelang jong barak kino snong ni ai ku play ya ka cooperative department jong ka surka Meghalaya ka jongi ka bala betin bala yalam jongi kumno bangin saindul ban wanra ya kam sem jong ka jintelang nagam ta ka bha kamit karoi ka par hakasnong ka thau ka jongi bat ban wanra ya kita ki but thmai ban kintiu ya ka yo ka kot da ka bangi kintiu ya ka kam jugo kai perthei ka ngong ka tourism
Ngalai itu yau MP badan buram jongi baka jingkwa jong kimpat ba nalor ka bulale agani ka Snong ka jongi bakwa ban yoi ya gajing penyaso dan disurok ya gini Snong di badan marjan jong gani gathang gajongi shadow mau mang mau sama seder bat warba ngalai itu yu MP badan burong bahadin gajing wan yu kejat hangni ban gajing tendu gajongi bat hirang bat Snong nila ay ya gajing tho ndu banai mensyua Show Deputy Chief Minister bapet ya kapiduldi baga jingdon kan yang ni surok mata kalian Deputy Chief Minister uladem ada ka jingtho show engineer ban pha sorbino yang ni surok Henry ka balu kalong bahadu minta ompak sya ompala ban sorbe ka ni surok tengah terpat yung MP badan buang Ringkat ke jigi trelang bat kirang basnong juga ni katan. Ringkat bau MLA badan buram jigi. Bat soba ban pet. Maka ni ke jing survey ke ni ke suok. Kan ulang no. Namar ke ni ke jing angnut. Jauh pat.